Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an unboxing video for you guys. I ordered a couple things from Shein and then some stuff from Fashion Nova. I know I've been going for a little bit. I was going through a little, I don't know, a weird phase, but I'm back and I'm better. Thanks for the new subscribers. I see y'all. Appreciate y'all. So yeah, I'm just gonna go right into the video and just show y'all everything that I got. Alright, so first I'm gonna start with the Fashion Nova jacket. I got this cute little two-piece set. It has the pants set, and it has like this black, and it has like white faces on it. I bought this for a baby shower that I'm supposed to be going to. One of my friends is having like an all black theme, so this is the pants. And this is the shirt. It's like a nice flowy type of shirt. I bought a small. You know, Fashion Nova stuff really weird, so we're gonna see. And then I also got, I forgot what this is, a jumpsuit. Just a plain black jumpsuit. Long sleeve. I got this in a medium. I'm gonna hope it fits. It's just all black too, because I didn't know which one I want to wear to the baby shower. That does not smell good. It's flare at the bottom. That's what I was trying to say. I couldn't get it out. I think it would be cute though once I put it on. Hopefully it fits. Like I said, it's a medium. And, you know, your girl been gaining weight. I weigh 130. I only ordered 2 things from there. I didn't order much. Next is Shein, or Shein, I don't know, however y'all pronounce it. So, this is what I got from Shein, these cute shorts. I got these in a medium. Like I told you, I'm gaining weight, so I'm gonna really hope and pray these fit like bad. I ordered a whole bunch of stuff from Shein. Honestly, some of it which I can't even remember. I ordered these jeans because I need more jeans, and none of my jeans really fit anymore, being as though I'm gaining weight. These are also a petite medium, so I'm gonna pray and hope that these fit. That's all we can do. I ordered like basic stuff from Shein though this time. Like I ordered this bodysuit, pink bodysuit. Something I could either wear to work or like just on a regular smegular day. These shorts as well. I ordered these in a 27, a size 27. Yeah, I'm gonna hope these fit because I have an outfit idea. Me and my best friend are going to this taco and margarita crawl that we went to last year, so we're going again this year. And like I was going for like a cowgirl type of look, like cowgirl boot, shorts, cute shirt. That's the type of look I'm going for. I got this shirt for work. I have this shirt already in black and white, but I'll order it in blue and white as well. Just a cute little blouse top for work, something just cute and quick to put on to go to work in. I ordered a good amount of stuff from there, half of which I don't even remember what I ordered. Oh, I like this. Oh, I like this material. It gives like linen, that linen material. But I ordered this too for work. This is really light. I really love this material. It's so light. Can't wait to wear that. I like this shirt as well. It says, I'm just a girl. I'm literally just a girl. This is a cute little crop top shirt to put on. Okay, so I had to like change positions a little bit because it was a little too dark where I was. So I also ordered this skirt. I really truly hope that this skirt fits. Like, truly hope this skirt fits because I have a great outfit idea in my hair for this skirt, And I'm not really a skirt girl, but I'm trying to be. And this is a medium. I know for a fact this is probably gonna fit. And if it don't, it's probably gonna be too tight. So this shirt was gonna be like one of the shirts I either wear with the cowgirl boots for the taco and margarita party me and my best friend is going to. With like some cute black cowboy boots and maybe either the black shirts or like the denim, the regular color denim shirt. I don't know yet. It depends on how I feel. I got this purse. It's like a cute throw on the shoulder type of thing. Because I don't have many shoulder bags. All of my bags is like crossbody. So I was like, let me get a plain black shoulder bag. Okay, so I also got this shirt too. It's like a long sleeve. Let me do that. Long sleeve. What does it say on there? Extraordinary. Give me a big smile. It's like, nah, I play too much. But yeah. I thought this was cute. It's about to be spring, you know, you could just throw it on real quick. Because in the spring you can still wear a short sleeve or a long sleeve. It don't really matter. You can get away with both. So I got these cargo pants. Cargo pants have been my thing now lately. I love me a good cargo pant. Yeah, I could have threw it on with this Elvis shirt that I got on today and a cute little sneakers or something. Something cute, quick and cute. Okay, so this shirt is like an off the shoulder. It's sheer, long sleeve. So I got this to go with this skirt. Are y'all seeing the vision? Y'all seen it, right? Like, y'all see the vision with this and this. And I'm sorry if my background is loud. I'm watching a movie and I'm also got the window open. So it's a lot going on. But yeah, this is the vision with this and this. Y'all see it. Y'all see it. And if y'all don't, y'all won't see it. And I'll probably end up taking a picture of it when I wear it. I don't know what I'm gonna wear or when I'm gonna wear it to. This also is like just a black basic blouse that I can wear to work. It gives like scrub shirt. I don't know how I feel about it. I hope it looks cute one because it's giving like scrubs and I don't work in the medical field. So we gonna hope. Oh yes. So I ordered this dress, y'all. I ordered this dress because I like the print. But it's also like a bodysuit dress. Oh, I can't wait to see how this fit. It's like it got like that I don't even know what you call this print. What would y'all call this print? I don't want to say Victorian. Is it Victorian? I don't know, y'all. Bear with me. I can't wait. I just know this dress gonna eat. I'm telling you, y'all gotta see the vision. Gotta see the vision. So I got this shirt too, High Cowboy. We all know Beyonce came out with her Cowboy Carter album. And cowboys and cowboy hats and cowboy boots has been a thing. But I also, yo, hold on. Hold on. You already know what I'm about to say. This, with this, right? Right? Black cowboy boots. We doing something here. We doing something here. We doing something. Y'all get, and see my vision too. Excuse me? Oh. Yo, I thought this was a bodysuit. But I also got like this. It's like a turtleneck. It's kind of like the other one I just showed y'all. I can't find it, but it's kind of like the other one I just showed y'all with the scrunch on the side, that greenish one. I got this too just in case I wanted a pair of shorts with it in the cowboy boots because I don't know what I'm actually wearing. Alright, so now I'm at the bottom of the box and I got 2 pairs of shoes. I think I got 2 pairs of shoes. I don't know. I got these little like slip-on shoes just to wear to work. I be needing shoes and stuff like that. So to work, and that is, I think I got, I don't remember ordering 2 pairs of shoes. Oh, okay, yes it is. So I bought these like sandals. I hope they fit, because Shein shoes be running a little weird sometimes, but just a cute basic black sandal. I feel like I ordered more than that, but I guess I didn't. But that concludes my unboxing video slash haul. I just wanted to give y'all a little video of exactly what I ordered and what I got. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, subscribe, and share. And I promise y'all, I'm not going to take 3 weeks, 4 weeks to come back to YouTube and drop a video for y'all. I'm not doing that again. I got a little out of my head. I had a lot, you know, going on. There's been a lot of events since Mercury retrograde started. Mercury retrograde started April 1st. It is April 13th. It's not over to the 24th. We still got a little bit of time. But I just want to say, everybody hang in there. Get y'all mental together. Pray. Read the Bible. All of the above. Bye, guys.